So after this, after this, we can observe that this will give us, this will be equal, this part will not, I don't want to change this part for now. No. I'm 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 silent because this reminds me of, like, guys, please observe these two terms. No. Observe these two terms, like this term, this and this term. We have n plus 1, we have half. No. We have n plus 1. So if we multiply this by half, like, we should have the same thing as here. So let's do that. So let us multiply this by half and see if we have the same expression here. So we have n plus 1 multiplied by half. Let me half, which multiplies n plus 1, plus half which multiply 1 is half. Yeah. So this should be equal to, this doesn't move, Ctrl C, V, and then we develop this part, so we should have 1 over n over 2 plus half, n plus half again, and then we close. Sorry. Anyway, this is n plus 1 times n over 2 plus 1. And then let us observe what we have here. We have exactly the same thing. We have, this can be written as n plus 1 times, because this is half times n though, so it's the same thing that n divided by 2 and then plus 1. So we have proven by induction, because here we went from P to Pn, we went from Pn to Pn plus 1. We find a certain answer, and then we apply directly the formula to Pn plus 1. We find the same answer, so we can conclude. Conclusion. Pn plus 1 is true, and That the last thing, because Pn plus 1 is true, then we have a Pn which is true. That is a proof by induction. So that's pretty much it. In the next videos we will see more examples. I know this was quite long, but I will try to reduce the time in the next videos. So see you in the next video.